You playing in Maya's little tubby? There you go. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. I love that thing. It's so cool. You having fun, Booty? Hmm? What? What you looking at? You want to go back over that way? Yeah. That's it. There you go. Splash, splash, splash. Whee! How big is Jeremiah? So big. That's right. What a good boy. How big is Jeremiah? So big. What a good boy you are. So big. Yay. You're so cute. Whoa. Don't play with that. Here, put it in your cubby. That's your toy. There you go. Push it under. Silly. No, get away from that. You don't look at that. I can't let you get in the habit of doing that. Hey, mister. You gonna get out now? How big is Jeremiah? So big. Yay, good boy you are. Yay, good boy. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Bye-bye, Grandpa. Bye-bye. See you soon. Bye, Auntie. Bye to you. Bye to you. Jeremiah, say night-night. Night-night. All right, he's like, no way, I'm taking a bath. Doesn't his feel like so like they're so uncomfortable? Yeah, but he seems to be pretty comfortable. You're a lot more flexible than Mommy would be, Jeremiah, that's for sure. You got it all over your nose, silly. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. You took the lid off, huh? Here you go. Let me see, I'll put it back together for you, okay? Hold on, I'll get it for you. Don't get all panicky. There you go. Put it underwater. There you go. All the way under. There you go. Uh-oh. Doggone it. Say uh-oh.